G'day and welcome back, subscribers. So, today I bought this. Went to Super Cheap Auto, picked this up. It's on special for like half price, so $550. It is a 12,000 pound or 5,600 kilo winch. I don't know why they ran them in pounds, doesn't matter. Electric winch, wireless remote, dynamo rope. Now, this is for my truck to drag stuff up and onto the tray, just when stuff's a bit harder to move or whatnot. Let's get her open and have a look inside. Box got a little bit wet in the back of the unit on the way home. That's because it was heavy. Now, they weigh about 25 kilos in the box, all there. Very cool handpiece remote. You got a wired in and out, or you can disconnect it, and it's wireless. I assume there's a spot for a little battery in there. I assume it comes with one. We'll see in a minute. But that's going to come in real handy because it means I don't have to be anywhere near the actual load when we drag it on and off. There's our extension cord that goes to our winch. We'll put that stuff down there. Okay, so we've got our big winch control box. Control solenoid box. There's your connection for your remote. Nice big mounting bracket so you can mount that. I assume it mounts on the winch. Probably made to go in multiple different locations. Some people don't have space for that and the winch. It's got a pretty nice size one there, which I'm going to say is probably the positive DC power in. So that's going to be good. We may have to extend mine, because we've got to make it so that it suits the way the truck tray moves. Wireless receiver for the winch that you actually put in the top of it. A little battery for the winch remote. There's our fixings, cap screws, and normal bolts for mounting the winch. There's our ground cable. There's a remote mount extension so you can mount that somewhere and extend it. If you were mounted in a bull bar or whatever, you can bring it out the front so it's easy to get to. Nice shiny aluminium fair lead so that you're not damaging your dynamo rope. Instruction manual. It does have a 12-month warranty too, which is cool. Huge big hook with a safety latch. Oh, that's a win. I was hoping it was pre-wound. It's pre-wound. It's already got its winch rope on it. Oh, there she is. Comes well packaged. If you were to ship this anywhere, it's a good thing to be able to ship somewhere because it's in really good packaging. Oh, it's wound on there so good too. It's going to be fun. I might actually need a hand to mount this beast because I'm going to mount it up on the truck tray. And it's going to be an effort to get up there, I reckon. So there she is. That is a serious box. I don't even move around in there. Alright. Alright, I reckon I'll have a good look at it. Not sure what that bit's for. Just a big pin in it. It's got a nice rope protector in there. Okay, so you've got a red, a black and a yellow. Quite easy wiring, comes and shows you where they all go. The ground, which would be for the control box's switching mech. We'll just have a look at the instructions for a sec. I'll see if that actually needs to be in the winch control box or if there is one in the control box itself. Okay then, so yes, it is a receiver that needs to be on the actual winch's solenoid box, so it is required. What we're going to do though is we're going to put this extension in and mount this in the cabin of the truck itself so that it's away and safe, because I'd imagine people would probably like to take them off your hands if they've seen them installed. So if we just have this cable, that gland mounted into the truck's actual cab, it keeps that nice and safe, keeps it out of the weather. Like, it looks pretty sealed, but keeps it out of the weather, keeps it out of harm's way, because yeah, the wireless remote is a big feature that I really wanted. Stick our battery in this little beast. Just got a little battery holder in the side there. Are they really 12 volt? They are. It's a 23A 12 volt battery. That's insane. Wireless on, wireless off. Just like that. Yeah, it's really cool. Okay. Nice size hand controller. You can also buy wireless kits from Supercheap as well. So I'm assuming they'd probably be compatible with that. Someone who's got one of these maybe had to correct me. Right, some cool specs for you. Gear reduction, 187.2 to 1. That's awesome. 6.6 horsepower motor, 5,400 kilo, single line pull. Remember, you can always get a snatch block and double your pull strength. 2 gauge cables, 28 meters of rope on there. That's cool. 28 meters is a nice long run. It's only going to get 4 off to 5 off the back of the truck. Reckons the wireless remote will do up to 18 meters. Tells you the frequency it sends at, and at full stall out, pulling as hard as it can, it will only be moving at about 2 meters a minute. That's at 430 amps. Now, it's recommended that you don't store one of these. If you think it's not going to pull, just back it off and just try and dig the vehicle out or whatever. Try and make it easier on it, because you're only going to just kill your winch. I'm going to be very gentle on this because I want to do a lot of cycles, and the less load that's on it, the faster it spins. So at 1800 kilos pull, it'll do 5 meters a minute as opposed to 2. So the faster it moves, the more stuff you can get on the truck quicker. I'm only going to be using it for disabled and scrapped vehicles and things like that, just to slide it up the ramps, because I do have ramps. It's not, yeah. So yeah, that's the beast. Oh, that spins all the way around. That's really simple. Engaged and disengaged, so the drum. Oh, the drum moves beautiful. So we'll get this installed. I'll make a video about actually installing it. That'll come in the future. Getting it installed and starting to use it's the main thing, because I need to start making money out of it. This was $560 Australian, and they're normally $9.99 or something crazy like that. So it was on super duper special, and very happy to have picked it up. Mine's going to be mounted on the back side of the truck tray, and it's going to come through the fair lead, through the tray, and down and away it goes. The main reason for this is it's protected, it's out of the dirt, it's out of all the crap, there's nothing there. It will actually be capable of assisting the truck in the need of going backwards if it gets stuck somehow. The truck gets stuck very easy, you've probably seen the videos already, but yeah, it won't pull the truck out. This isn't big enough to pull the truck out. The truck weighs 6 tonne, if it's stuck 6,000 kilos of pull, yeah, it's going to take a fair bit. You'd be probably better off just getting another vehicle to try and pull than destroying your winch to do so. So this is going to be more of a slide stuff in and out winch. I wanted to buy a water cart for the back of it so it will slide a empty poly tank up and in the back of the tray, and then you can tip the tray up and actually use this to winch backwards down, because it does have an internal drum brake. Series wound motor, yeah, quite a serious bit of kit. Thank you very much for watching. This is not a sponsored endorsement or anything. I just bought this today and wanted to share with my subscribers. Super cheap, feel free to use the video if you want. But that's what's in the kit. This is the RYDER 12,000 pound dynamo rope. Thank you very much for watching. Subscription buttons over here, more videos over here. Have a great day. Link to this one's in the top of the video description. Probably click and collect it before they sell them out, I reckon. It's too cheap to not grab hold of one. 12-month warranty, dynamo rope, LFD lead. I was going to buy a Chinese one off eBay, and at least if something goes wrong with this one, I can actually take it back and share the problem with them, and rather than just having a dead winch stuck to the back of your truck like a lot of people do when they buy Chinese things. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Cheers, guys.